Welcome to the workshop. Hi, I'm Julianne, and I am thrilled to have you here on the workshop page. The workshop is a chance to go much deeper into more lifestyle, more of the life edit. So over on the Challenge Club, that's more fun, light, short bursts of changing your life and designing things, just very specific aspects. Over here on the workshop page is where we really do a much broader scope. It's a bigger project. We look at all the areas of focus that are on the website. So it's health and fitness, spirituality, connections, relationships, finance and career. And we look at all of that from a much bigger point. This is where you're really going to design your life in the workshop. And then we're on doing chats where it's a very intense time where we're working with each other to really come up with what that intentional living or the intentional lifestyle looks like. And then you go backwards and you do the edit. So I only do the workshops twice a year. If you want to be on the wait list for that, go ahead and put your name down below. And what I'll do is notify you when the next workshop is coming up. But these are very intense. There will be, when we're approaching the next workshop, there'll be a much more in-depth video going over what the topics are, going up with the framework, the dates, all of that, all the nitty gritty. So for now, this is just to let you know that the workshops exist. I expect I'll be doing the next one probably in January. So depending on when you watch this, it may be a couple months away or maybe right around the corner. As you can see out the window, it's summer here, so I'm not doing anyone anytime soon. But if you want to get your name on the list, we will definitely let you know when the next workshop's coming up and give you all the details. So put your name down below. Promise you, you won't hear from me until there's a workshop ready to go. Talk to you soon.